secrets few could truly understand. Their beauty was visible, their truth was not. One man believed knowledge could create trust. In 1931, Robert M. Shipley founded the Gemmological Institute of America. He traveled tirelessly, sharing his vision with jewelers across America. What began as a single classroom soon grew into the foundation of modern gemology. Through pioneering research, scientific innovation, and global standards, GIA transformed the way the world understands gemstones. It introduced the universal language for grading diamonds, advanced the understanding of pearls and colored stones, and brought greater confidence to jewelry verification. As the industry evolved, so did GIA, advancing education, driving research, developing technologies that continue to shape the future of gemology. That knowledge crossed continents, reaching professionals in more than 80 countries. And in India, it found a home where centuries of craftsmanship met world-class education. Today, nearly a century later, new generations continue to learn, discover, and lead. From Shipley's first classroom to tomorrow's innovators. The journey continues.